been an interesting talk for everybody, and everybody enjoyed the panel discussion that we had today. Certainly lots of stuff to cover and some very interesting questions from the audience as well, so we really appreciate that.
For almost 6 years, we are helping IT providers to grow their business online.
We had wonderful speakers and we had the chance to listen to them and follow the news and information we get today, and so I'm really happy to be today here, and thank you again.